Namaste and welcome once again to my channel. So we are on video number 4 today, and I'm sure you're going to really enjoy what you're going to see in the video today. In case you haven't watched my previous videos, please do so by subscribing to my channel, and you will find the link of the previous videos in the description box. Thank you. So friends, today what we're going to see is actually a beautiful story for all of you. Now, I'm sure you and I have always been fond of stories right from our childhood days. So let's not waste time and just get into the story.
The clock is ticking by. Where is the doctor?
Oh. Look at him. Who is he? Why is he coming towards us?
Why is he wearing shorts and having a rugged beard?
Look at him. He does not even look like a doctor.
Rita, Dr. Mohan, juniors, nurses, come here quickly. Bring the patient inside the ICU.
Hey. What was that? Did we take the right decision? What kind of surgeon is he?
Please, I request all of you to be patient. Let me check a few things. This is incredible. This man is famous all over the internet for his health tips. I can't believe he has so many followers on YouTube.
So when the family saw the surgeon, what was their judgment and why? So people judge you by the way you dress and your appearance, or do people judge you by what you really are? Is the question today. This story that you've just seen highlights the importance of dressing. So please keep watching the video and make a note of the professions of the people who you see in the video. Well, so I'm sure all of you have made the list of all the professions that you saw in the video. But friends, let me tell you something. You're in for a big surprise. And do you know what the surprise is? Well, let me share with you that the chef in the video is actually not a chef. He is a carpenter. The policeman is not a policeman, but he is an architect. The weightlifter, well, she is actually a chef. And the cashier, she's a nurse. So friends, these are just a few examples that I shared with you to take you to what this whole lesson is about today. So friends, what is it that we get to learn from this? Don't you think that the world judges us by the way we appear and the way we dress? So nobody is going to recognize you until and unless you are dressed for the profession that you represent. Now, this brings me to the tip of today's video. And I'm sure all of you have guessed by now. Well, yes, the tip for today is dress appropriately. Dress neatly, dress well, dress in a suitable manner that is in sync with your profession as a teacher. Teachers, please remember that students are always observing us, they're always judging us, and they are always mirroring what we do. So, how effectively you present yourself, that effectively will you receive response from your viewers. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you very much. Online teaching is not at all a puzzle. If you are a part of the Roma Man community.